Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Hollister, local, and long-distance movers near me. With the help of the right long-distance moving company, you can relocate much faster. Our team will help you whether you're moving 100 miles or 3,000 miles. No matter the size of your move or the distance, we provide all the necessary moving services. Along with basic moving services, we provide the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With the help of a local California moving company, you can get settled in faster. It can be a huge undertaking to handle the move on your own, even if you're just going a few miles up the street. You still have to pack up everything, load it onto a truck, and move into your new location. Hiring local movers like 3 movers ensures you get moved faster. We save your energy and time. You won't have to do any heavy lifting. If the move would take you several days to complete, we can get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hollister moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.